Hello and welcome to another District 75 AI tutorial. Today we'll learn about Google Gemini's new AI music tool called Lyria 3. Um, this is an amazing tool, and I just want to show you how we can use it and incorporate it with our students to support their learning and also provide a engaging way to have them access the content. As always, while these are high-tech tools that we're using, there's always a human touch. That is us. We are the educators that are in the lead. And please remember to review all outputs for accuracy and bias. So here we go. Again, this is Google Gemini Lyria 3. It's a multimodal tool. You can upload text and images in Google Gemini to have your music created, this AI music created. Um, there are many ways that these are used. There are many use cases. We'll get into that a little bit. So let's go right now to Google Gemini. So before you do that, if you don't know how to get into Google Gemini, let me just give you a quick overview. First thing you're going to do, make sure you're signed into your New York Public Schools account. As you can see, I am here. You will then click on your Google Apps, scroll down to Gemini, it will load. Okay, and here is your screen for Google Gemini. We will then go. If you want to start creating your music, the first thing you're going to do is click on Tools. You'll scroll down where it says Create Music. And if you notice, you're going to have a track that you can use to remix. You can click any one of these tracks and add your prompt. So when you click one of these tracks, what's going to happen is it's going to use this music to incorporate into your song. So I'll pick this track here. And since I've already done it, once you pick the track, okay, here's the prompt, right? I'm finishing up my unit on African American STEM and computer science pioneers because I'm a computer science teacher. And so this is a song that the kids are going to be hearing, a 30-second clip song about Dr. Gladys West, who helped pioneer the GPS. She was part of the team. And so you would click the arrow to have it load. As you see, the music is creating. I'm just going to pause the video here so you're not watching this circle turn. Okay, so the video has finished. The AI music tool is finished. And notice, because I picked a reggaeton, which is reggae, because I picked a reggaeton music, you're going to hear the tune.
Oye, escucha, Dr. Gladys West, una dura. En Black History Month, su mente brilla pura. Una hidden figure, con talento brutal. Creando el GPS, un logro global. Con su ciencia y matemáticas hizo la magia. Ahora el mundo entero navega con ventaja. Esa es Gladys West, la reina del GPS. Esa es Gladys West, la reina del GPS.
So if you notice, it's in Spanish because reggaeton is Spanish reggae. And so that is what you will hear. Some other examples. So that's if you're choosing from the preset mix. The other option is, I'm going to show you. You can actually upload a PDF file. So this is a PDF file. Once you upload it, it can have text, it can have images and text. You upload the PDF file, you click your plus, you click upload. Here's the PDF file I'm uploading. You add your prompt. The prompt that I'm also adding is to create a song based on the uploaded PDF file with instructions in English. And I'm also saying that I want the music sound. Now, I'm not using from the preset music library. I'm using my own, and I'm saying make the rhymes in hip hop and bachata, which are music styles that my students love. Okay. Remember, you're always clicking tools and you're using the create music, and then you're going to click go. It's pretty much loading, creating your song, your 30-second song, and it's going to make a 30-second clip song that is based off of the PDF document that you uploaded that has text and images. Pretty amazing. So as it's generating, I already have one that's been done for you. So this is it. Notice it gives you the lyrics. This is all text from the PDF document that I uploaded. So since I've already preset one for you here, let's hear the song.
From a Virginia farm with a mind so bright, Dr. Gladys West filled the world with light. She did calculations for the Navy team to make a satellite's global dream. With math and code, she changed the view, helping GPS.
You have subtitles that you can use here.
She put the whole wide world on the map, a hidden figure who closed the gap. Oh, Dr. Gladys West, a true STEM
Again,
queen,
this is all text from the uploaded PDF document. And this is hip hop and bachata. Okay, 30 seconds. So that's one way. So you can use the preset library that comes with Google Gemini Lyria, or you can upload your own PDF document. And finally, the last option for you is you can upload an image. Again, I've already done it for you. I will show you right now. This is upload the image. Again, how do you upload the image? You're clicking your plus here. You're saying upload file. My image is on my desktop. Here is a picture, meaning a JPEG picture. I'm adding it. I'm creating my prompt. Create a song about Dr. West that includes this based on this image with instructions in English and rhymes in EDM, which means electronic dance music, and R&B and salsa. I will click here. Since I have one that has already been done for you, this is what it sounds like since I've already created one for you. This is what it's.
West had to compete in a different group. She couldn't be beat. Her math made the whole
Again, you can click on the subtitles.
She helped GPS show us where to go. She's a STEM queen, yeah, now you know. A hidden figure who made the future glow.
And if you notice that all of these are cover art, right? So this is the cover art for your music. You can, the way you can export this, you can download this track. You can download as a video. Once it's downloaded as a video, it can then be opened up.
So follow her steps and reach for the sky. Dot, dot.
It can be opened up in your QuickTime player, and here it is as a video. So you can make this a very big view on your screen, on your smartboard. Okay, so you can download it. This is the audio video here.
Gladys.
Or you can also download it. See this button here, right? This arrow, you download it. We just saw it downloaded as an audio with cover art, or you can download it as an MP3 track. Now, we had some other videos.
In a different group, she couldn't be beat. Her math made the whole wide world glow.
We had some other videos in the past about podcasting. So if you are into Adobe podcasting, this is a great way for kids to create their own music, or you create it for them and then they upload it in their podcast. But that you can go and see about doing that video that we have already posted on podcasting. So you can combine all these aspects. So that is all. Again, This is a really great tool for hooks to engage students. You can use any content area to create these 30-second clips. These are 30-second audio AI generated music clips. So I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. And again, as we said with AI, any AI tool, there's always an environmental impact. So please consider that when you're using any of the AI tools. If you have any feedback or questions, please go to www.d75stem.com/AI. Bye now.